Oof, how you feel?
Mad.
Mad? Mad isn't good, or good is mad isn't mad? Like mad? Like crazy mad? Yeah, okay. We're Santa River Trail, sorry. And it's hot. 70 something today, but it feels warm up here. We're trying to see if we can hike back down to our campsite. We're up here. And it's pretty. We're looking for Lost Creek. See if we can find it. All right. We got to these cabins and we hear water. I think this is the cabins closer to our spot, but it's kind of crazy because we were just by a small, super small creek that barely had any water, and this sounds like it's gushing, so I don't know where it's coming from, but way more water. This cabin looks like someone lives here. My puppy, she was hot. She took a dip. I kind of felt like doing the same thing.
Right?
It's pretty over here, huh? Where's this water coming from though, huh? We didn't see it.
Did we come up this far now? No, we didn't.
It was hot. You feel better? Look at those two trees. Like they're leaning. It is pretty. Super nice. Alright. Almost back to the base camp, I guess. Alright, back at camp. Went on a hike. I forgot to record last night. We actually had some visitors come in, hang out. We had dinner. They took off. Anyway, so we went on that little hike, and now we're about to make dinner. We're gonna do some hot dogs, bratwurst, I guess, right? And we got some yellow curry. We're gonna eat one hot dog, some yellow curry, and then we're gonna do we have a dessert to go with our curry. It's mango and sticky rice, so I'll let you know how that is. Sounds good. I'm excited about that. Dogs are pretty tired, I think, from the hike. It was hot, not super hot, but it was. I think what made it tougher was the elevation, right, babe? The elevation.
What about it?
It made it tougher.
Hiking?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Gorgeous day today. All these trees, so beautiful. I miss the beavers. They used to be here. The experiment that they did in the 70s, I guess. They took them out in 89, it looks like. I was doing some research. Anyways. Alright. I just cut a little bit of wood. And then I bought some. And then I brought some from home that I had bought as well. Chicken and their bait. Alright, got some brats on the grill. Have a little bit of yellow curry for dinner. Do some brats. And yeah, it's pretty good. You like it?
Yum.
Goofy. Got some brats going. Kind of slow cook so we can finish our curry. But I'll do some dogs with those, and then we have sticky rice, mango and sticky rice for dessert. Should be pretty good. Yep. Doesn't feel as cold today or tonight, this evening. It's still light out, but I think it's like what, 5:36. It's pretty nice. Feels good right now. Probably about Ruby, come here.
This one dark real quick, no?
Yeah. Can't really see.
Watch babe play it.
All right, morning. Oof. It was a little chilly last night, but it was nice sleeping. 3 times the charm. I'll fire warm ourselves up. The dogs are like super active this morning. Woke us up like at 6, but we did go to bed at 9. So we had a long night. It was good. Tried to watch a little bit of a movie or a show, but fell asleep. There's 3 or 4 campers in the whole campsite, so it is super quiet. No noise at all. Very nice. We're gonna start packing up in a bit and go home and take a shower. We're ready. While we're on our way home, it was successful 3 nights, 4 days camping. Dogs did well. First night of sleep was, I'd say 6.5, and then it just got better from there in increments of 5.